Hello, Jen. 16 January. Let's quickly have a look what's happening on Bitcoin, even or cryptocurrency market. Timing-wise, we are nowhere lag in the middle. Still a lot of to go. Last 4 hours liquidating less, once longer, once shorter. So basically, left and right, but guys getting liquidated. Look at what the volume ETR. The largest single liquidation order happened on Binance. ETH to Bitcoin, 12 million. Fuck, this is so much money. You just buy spot and you are happy. Anyway, if we look into the waves orders for ETH on a daily time frame, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we pump, dump, and basically that's the latest status from the pump to dump. But we had 2,900, went straight through 34k. I mean 100. And now we have a pullback which can stay until inauguration of Donald Trump. If we zoom out and see Bitcoin chart, it looks similar. There was a straight pump to 100k. Let me zoom to the and it could be the local top. Will be grinding here and then dump over the weekend to inauguration of Trump. So heat map looks like this. We have a lot of liquidity below and above us, and it can be very quickly taken by the market makers, especially on these political events. Looks there's a straight up basically. Okay, we have still trend. We clean up this 95,000. I think should come very soon, and then altcoins will be again a little bit destroyed temporarily and then pump. On the higher time frame, we see we are exactly at the resistance for all 4 major markets. So that's exactly what's happening on the 12 months and the 6 months candles. This is where we are. We are still way to go. We are just the beginning of the candle. So we just need to patiently wait to see. If we compare Bitcoin to gold ETF, this is where we are. And this is where we can go in the next few years. This is what we can predict. So these areas are absolutely achievable in the next 5 years, for example. If we compare Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, we look still amazing. RSI still a lot of to go. And now if we compare 17 to the current situation, look, let's say this is the current week. We had the dump, we had the pump, we had the pullback on inauguration, and then pump, Feb, March, and then upwards. Current situation, dump, pump. I mean, I don't know, pump, rather, But okay, this is how it looks like. So we stay here, we have a little bit of dump next week, and then pump. So this is usually what market makers are doing, from pump to dump to liquidate everyone, right? Left and right. But the monthly time frame for ETH looks amazingly well. There will be no surprise actually if we pump like here only in Feb, not in January. So everyone will still doubting, are we going higher or not? And this is where we are, exactly at the bottom. But guys are get liquidated for 12 millions of orders here. So it's a lot of money. This is how it looks like. Bitcoin dominance, finally candle gets red, but until the next week or two, it can still fluctuating here, but it looks decent. The resistance is resistance. It's bouncing back from here. So that means alt season probably coming. Large caps are exploding. And these are the lower caps, so excluding top 10, looks very good. But again, if Bitcoin will pull back to 95k, we pull back everywhere. So these are the large caps, very green candles. Alt season 50, it doesn't want to go below, which is very good. Cycle lows, we are exactly at the bottom, start to grinding up. Glass nodes showing exactly the same. Rainbow chart, we are in the green. We always are touching yellow or orange, so it's still coming. And if we assume stock to income, we had 300k for the next 3-5 months. Bitcoin inflows, finally good inflows. It will keep going like this. Bitcoin good trends, huge pullback, but it can recap, to the all-time high very, very soon. Ethereum on a quarterly basis is on red, which is very good because then we can pump much more. And it's still, Bitcoin is still number 7 worldwide asset, and a little bit up, and we are going for Jeff Bezos Amazon. All the rest parameters like percentage addresses in loss, almost everyone is in profit. VDD also got resetted correctly, and MVRV sets core, which is the good indicator of the end of the bull run. We are still way to go, and all the parameters looks fine. So in the summary, we are set for the higher highs, but next week is inauguration, will be the key moment. Pay attention, don't get liquidated just 1 week before the pump. Stay safe, stay cautious, and make some money. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.